straight into it. Planting little seed stock with the tree guards is quite easy. You just need to divide up your whole area with how many plants you have to work out your spacings, as some plants are going to naturally die off. For this example, I'm working in quite a clayey area and also in winter, so I don't need to water them in as it's been raining a lot. But if it is in summer months and sandy areas, they do need a good water in. This little tablet has got nutrients in it. As shown on the side of this box here, it's got nitrogen, sulfur, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, sulfates, all the things that will help the plant grow and thrive. Place the tablet in just outside the rootstock of the plant and then whack in your tree guard, making sure you're not squishing any leaf of the plant. For this tree guard, it's just got one stake. As you build the flat pack triangle first, like this, we get these from an Australian company called Strata Green, but there's many different options. These ones are quite good because they're core flute and they're quite rigid once built. I just made a bit of a station on my trailer here, build a bunch at a time, put the stake through, and then go through and whack them in as you go. Here, as we've dug out, we've dug in little channel lines because it's on a hill. It's to flatten out an area for the plants. So once they grow up, we hopefully add another windrow like this.